be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always felt that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step your foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks I never would have seen.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. All right, now let's see how I can show you this one right here. I don't know if you all are familiar with that tape, but this one comes from Adidas. All right, this one comes from Adidas. So I just got this one today. Let's go ahead and get into it, man. Let's go ahead and see what is in the box. I have this one coming, and I actually have another one coming. Should be tomorrow. So let's be on the lookout for that one. Let's see what is in here. All right. Go ahead and grab it up out of there. Get the box, get rid of the box, and here we are. That's a different kind of box right there. Boom, different color box. It's that black and that green. All right, you see your Adidas logo there on the side, and then boom, Adidas, the 3 stripes, and the Xbox logo. Dope. Xbox logo there. And then also on the reverse side, you have your Adidas and your Xbox logo. Alright? These are the Xbox 360 Forum Mid. Okay? And I got these in a size 13. Alright. Size 13 in these bad boys. What's the colorway? Looks like a white, and a green. But let's go ahead and get into these, man. I'm excited to see these in person. For those that don't know, the Forum Mid are going to look more so similar to this shoe. Alright, this is a previous Adidas Forum Mid that I have. So this is going to be what this shoe resembles most. It's not going to resemble the other Forums that you see back here, but it's going to be in the shape of this mid top. Alright, so let's check it out. Is there anything special when you open the box? Oh, okay. So this is the 20th year anniversary of the original Xbox. So you see the Xbox logo in the 20. The original Xbox came out in 2001. And that's what this paper represents on the inside. Alright. Now they did have a different Adidas Forum with the green and everything, but that one I don't think actually is being released. So this is one that was actually released to the public. Is there anything else in here? Nope. As we get into it, this is just actual Adidas paper on the inside there. Alright. Are they individually wrapped? Nope. Alright, let's go ahead and get into it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ooh. Yes, sir. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. These are those Adidas Forum for the Xbox 360. All right. Now let me grab that one back out because I'm already seeing some differences. They made this one to actually look, let me see on the inside here. Yep. They made this one to look more like the console. Look at the inside here. You got your vent, you know, for the airflow for your console there. You know, you don't want to get the red rings of death. You know what I'm saying? For having, you know, no airflow going through there, no ventilation. You know, on the straps, which these don't have straps. There's the strap loop on these, but there's no actual strap. So on this version of the mid, they gave us an actual strap. That's tight. That's tight right there. And on the strap, it says Xbox 360 on the strap. Alright. Then on the tongue, you have your metallic Adidas logo on the white background there. White Adidas logo, metallic background. This is the eject button. Oh, I get it. I get it. Oh, I get it. So this would be, this right here is the eject button. And then that would be where you put your disk drive at in here. So you hit the button, boop, disk drive would open up. You slide it on in there. But look on the back. Achievement unlocked when you do the back of the strap. That is a nice touch. If anybody was playing the Xbox 360 back in the day and you did some activity, you did some achievement, you would get the achievement unlocked notification and you get your points. That is dope, man. That is dope. They went all in on these Xbox 360 features. I still can't get over how it's got the vent on the side there. And then of course you got your Xbox button there. Right there. That's dope, man. That is dope. On the inside, is there any paper in there? No paper. No paper on the inside. On the inside there, it says Xbox 360 on the insole. Xbox 360 on the insole. It is a gray insole that looks like the system. I like how it has like the, you see how the material is? It looks like the side of the console. I wish I still had my original Xbox 360, but I do not. I do not have it any longer. But I would, if I did have it, I would go grab it. I do have an Xbox 360, but it's one of the newer versions. So it wouldn't look like this. It's one of the newer ones. My daughter has it in her room. But man, this is dope, man. It's bringing back memories. It's bringing back memories, man. I originally I had to get the Xbox 360. I was working at Target back in the day when it released. And I remember I got it. I was living in Ohio. And I grabbed it. And I had to ride the bus home. And I got off at the wrong stop. So I had to walk about a mile home in the snow. And man, it was kind of the hood where I got off. It was kind of the hood where I got off the bus. And I was nervous as hell. I was nervous as hell walking from down that street all the way up to my dad's house at the time. Man, I was like, I'm about to get jacked from my Xbox. It had just come out too. And I'm clearly holding a big ass bag, big Target bag with an Xbox 360 in it. About to go home, play some NBA 2K6, you know. But anyway, let's look at the bottom. Oh, it's the power button on the bottom. It's the power button right there on the bottom. Yo, that's hard right there. And you know what? The bottoms here, the green glow, looks like they might glow in the dark. I wonder. They do a little bit. You all probably can't see it much on the camera, but I can. I can see it. They do glow just a little bit. But the camera is not picking it up. So yeah, there is a little bit of glow in the dark action on the bottom of these shoes. It's not that potent, so it didn't pick up on the camera as I was showing it, but it does glow in the dark in person. Like, trust me, take my word for it, they do glow in the dark. All right, man, these are a lot cooler than I thought. And let's look at the quality. The toe box area, pretty good leather quality here. It's white, you probably won't be able to see it, but pretty good leather quality in the toe box, especially there in the toe box area. I don't know if I showed this in the back, but this looks like where you would either plug in your controller, you know, here in the back there, plug in the controller area. I like how they got the colors that just look just like the system back in the day all around the shoe. And that being an Xbox logo instead of an Adidas logo hits the mark. That hits the mark, man. Let's see if there's anything on the right boy. See what the right boy has to offer. Right shoe second. Alright, here's the right boy. Right boy. On the right, everything is pretty much the same. Pretty much the same, but you open this up and this is what they were hiding. This is what they were hiding. Right here. Your laces. Let's see if there's anything on the back of this strap. Nope, same achievement unlocked. Same achievement unlocked on the back here. But on the inside here, it's a 20. The Xbox and the 20 logo is on the inside here instead of it saying Xbox 360. Very nice. I don't know if I mentioned that on the back there where it's holding the strap. Yes, sir. White laces come standard, but the reason for these laces, and let me see if I can get it right. This is the A button on the controller. This is the B button on the controller. X is blue and Y is yellow. So these laces are all the buttons on the Xbox controller, and it's still that way today. Even on the Xbox Series X, I can show you that. On the Xbox Series X, it's still the same. These colors are still what's represented on the new controller today. Alright. So that's a nice touch that they added the controller buttons into it. Yep, it even says that on here. You guys aren't going to be able to see that, but it says A on the end of the laces here. That says A. That says B on the end there, Y, and X. That's a nice touch. That's a nice touch. They went all the way in, man. They went all the way in on these laces and on these shoes, man. So that's them. That's these, man. The Xbox 360 Adidas form. Very nice quality on these bad boys. Very nice touches, very good attention to detail. And if you're a gamer like myself, you're gonna be into these, man. It's good to see something like this just on the nostalgia purpose. Is there anything on the tips of the regular white ones? Yes, it is, but it's a bright leathering. Jump in. It says jump in on the tip of, and if I put this to the camera, you guys are going to be able to see it. It's that bright lime green. It's not going to show, but it says jump in on the lace tips of the white. So that's pretty dope, man. Oh yeah, on the back here, on the back of the strap is an Xbox logo. There. That's a nice touch, man. I'm digging it. I am digging these, man. I like what they did with these bad boys. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Put these laces in here. Peace.